Hello everyone and welcome to Mentor Plus. There is great news came from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare that in All India quota also now you can get reservation under EWS and OBC category, and there is a 56% of MBBS seat increase. So I will talk about all these things in detail. Before that, I urge you to subscribe the channel and like the video so that I will keep posting all such updates on this channel. So this is the notification you can see came from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare that 27% of reservation for OBC and 10% of reservation for EWS category, that is economically weaker section category. So those who are having these certificates, they should be very happy with this notice. Earlier the reservation was applicable only for SC and ST category candidates, 15% for SC category and 7.5% for ST category, and nearly 5,550 students will be benefited due to this All India quota scheme. And very great thank to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, because the meeting held on 26th of July, Monday, and in the same meeting the decision was taken among the Union Ministry to facilitate an effective solution which was pending from long time. And in 1986, under the direction of Honorable Supreme Court of India, the All India quota scheme was started, and until 2007 there was no reservation. But after 2007 the reservation was given for SC and ST candidates, and now reservation is for OBC and EWS category candidates as well. There was a reservation for OBC and EWS candidates in central universities like Aligarh Muslim University, BHU, and Lady Hardinge Safdarjung Hospital in Delhi. But now it will be applicable to all the medical colleges. Okay, so there will ultimately it will result in increase of the seat. So all the students coming from general category should be also be benefited by this decision. And if we talk about number of seat increase, so you can see 56% of in the second line from second line from bottom, increase of MBBS seat in country wise 56% from 54,348 seats in 2014 to 84,649 seats in 2020, and more number of seats are getting added. Number of PG seats also increased by 80%. That's huge increase in last 6 years. Now the PG seats is 54,275, and during the same period 179 new medical colleges have been established in the country, and country has 558 government and private medical colleges. Okay, so that's a great update for all the NEET UG aspirants, and the scheme will get implemented from the current academic year. That's more important, and you will get a benefit in the counseling process. So if you have any kind of doubt or query related to this, you can call us or send messages. So thanks again, and have a great day.